Hello and welcome back to our channel. We're so happy to have you here. Whether you're a returning subscriber or a new viewer, we appreciate your support and interest in our content. In today's video, we have some exciting new content to share with you. We'll be discussing how to get ready your vehicle for service. In other words, inspect your own car. We believe this information will be valuable to you, whether you're a professional in the industry or just an enthusiast. Before we get started, we want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let's get started. You should also learn how to perform an inspection of your own vehicle. Whenever you do so, make sure to note all your findings in your car maintenance log. This is a basic procedure you can do at any time. Checking your car will allow you to discover anything that's out of the ordinary. It's quite easy to perform a check yourself. Check your car's lights, engine oil and air filters, car tires, air pressure, car mileage, and more. You can even check if your car is making any odd sounds. If you discover anything strange, bring your vehicle to the shop immediately. Check your car's fluids. You may not know how to change your car's fluids, but you should at least learn how to check them. Sometimes you can see the fluids level directly. But in some cases, there are dipsticks or gauges you can pull out. Do this so you can check the levels. Again, go through your vehicle's manual to find out how you can check the different fluid levels. When you see that your car is running low on fluids, add more or have the tanks filled. If you see any leaks, have your vehicle checked immediately. Check and change your oil regularly. It's important for every car owner to know how to check the oil. You should know how to differentiate clean oil from muddy or murky oil. Knowing this will save you a lot of money. This will also give you an idea if something's wrong with your car's engine. There are no standard rules when it comes to the frequency of oil changes. But you can find this information in your car's owner's manual. This is why it's essential to read through the manual thoroughly. Check your vehicle's battery. These days, most batteries don't need much maintenance. However, it's still important to know where your car's battery is. It's also important to know how to check your battery. Once in a while, you need to inspect the battery to make sure there aren't any leaks. Also, examine the contacts to see if there's any buildup. If you find anything, clean it off using a battery cleaning brush. You can find such a tool at department stores or auto parts stores. Purchase one and always keep it in your car's trunk in case you need to use it. While you're at it, you can also purchase a battery tester. Replace your car's parts when needed. Windshield wipers. There are certain parts of the car you may have to replace regularly. First, you need to replace your windshield wipers. Do this especially when they make streaks on your windshield. It may seem irrelevant, but you should remember that visibility is key when driving. Wipers are actually quite cheap and it's easy to replace them. So when you notice that they aren't working well anymore, purchase a pair and change them yourself. Vehicle's cabin air filter. Another thing you should replace is your vehicle's cabin air filter. This task is one of the easiest to do, which will make your car more comfortable. The cabin air filter is easily accessible in most car models, so you won't have any problems when replacing it. Engine air filter. Learn how to replace your auto's engine air filter. Doing this is a bit more challenging, depending on the type of car you have. But changing it regularly is very important. Check your owner's manual to see how frequently you should change the engine auto filter. Make a note of it on your auto maintenance log so you won't forget. Tires check and wheel alignment. Check your car's tires and wheel alignment checked regularly too. Again, check your owner's manual. It will contain information on how often you should have these checked. This is an important part of preventive maintenance. You need to make sure your car's tires wear evenly to ensure that it drives smoothly. Having your tires rotated and balanced will help them last a lot longer. The alignment is important too. Change your car's spark plugs. As time goes by, the spark plugs may get worn out or get covered in the buildup. When this happens, your engine won't work as efficiently. Fortunately, checking and changing your spark plugs is also a fairly easy task. But if you don't want to change them yourself, you can always go to your car's professional mechanic.